Hello and welcome to our video on the 5 common pitfalls of DIY WooCommerce migration. When migrating your online store to WooCommerce platform, avoid these common pitfalls to ensure a smooth and successful transition. Failing to back up data. Back up your data to ensure that you don't lose any important information in case something goes wrong. Choosing the wrong migration plugin. Be sure to do your research and choose a plugin that is reliable and meets your requirements. Neglecting to update your URLs. If you're moving to a new domain, it's important to update your URLs so that your customers can find you. Neglecting SEO. Take the time to optimize your new site for SEO and user experience to ensure that it performs well. Ignoring payment gateways updates. Be sure to update your payment settings to ensure that everything is working properly. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can ensure a smooth and successful WooCommerce migration. Thanks for watching.